In this video, we will see how to find largest and smallest number into two-dimensional array and also find the difference between the largest and the smallest number. Okay, so here first we have to declare the array. So int array, two subscripts are there, equal to new int size. We can take three rows and 4 columns. Okay, now declaration over. Next we have to input the array elements. Okay, so give message system dot out dot println enter array elements. Okay, next first we have to start the loop. Nested loop we are supposed to use. So for int I equal to 0, I less than 3 rows are there, so I less than 3, then I plus plus, then 4 int j equal to 0, j less than 4 columns are there, less than 4, j plus plus. Okay, next we are going to enter the elements array of ij equal to in dot next int, then close two brackets. Okay, next we are going to find the largest and smallest number in the two-dimensional array. Okay, so we're going to find it. For that we need two variables. So int max equal to array of 0 0, comma min equal to array of 0 0. That means we are assuming that the first number in the array that is in 0th row and 0th column, that will be the largest and smallest number. Okay, we are assuming that it is the largest and the smallest number. Next, we are going to find the largest and smallest number. So again give the loop. So same loop we can copy from here. Okay. Now here we should give the condition if array of ij is greater than max. Okay, so in the first iteration max is 0 0, that means first element is in 0 0 position. So suppose the next element, that is 0 1 0 1 is greater than max. Now we have to change it, right? So max equal to array of ij. Okay, now max is array of ij. So this process will continue for all the elements till we get to the largest element. Okay, now next we are going to find the smallest element. So what is the condition? If array of ij is less than min. Okay, so the next element, that is 0 1 0 0 is the smallest element we already assigned. Suppose the element present in 0th row and column 1 is the smallest element, so we have to change the smallest number into that number. So min equal to array of ij. Okay. Now we completed the loop, completed our process. Okay. Next, we're going to print it. So system dot out dot println largest number is equal to max. Okay. Then smallest number is, it will be min. Okay. Then we have to print the difference also. So the difference is max minus min. Okay. Now compile, no error. We have to run the program. How many elements we are supposed to give? 12 elements. Okay. Okay. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the largest element in this array is 12 and the smallest number is 1. Okay, so the difference between 12 and 1 is 11. Okay,